All right, y'all, here we go. Got that grease heated up there to 325. Y'all, I had a little craving for a fish sandwich. So got this Louisiana Select pre-breaded catfish right here. Y'all, I'm telling you, this stuff is some kind of good. Already breaded catfish. Just pull it out like that. Look at that piece right there. We're gonna drop it down in that grease. Ooh, man, look at that right there. Got the little frying pan of cooking. Get in there, get us another little piece of it. Right there, y'all. Get us another little piece of it right there. Woo. All right, now what we're doing, y'all, we're gonna fry this fish, and I'm gonna tell you, it don't take long to fry this fish here. It's pre-breaded, Louisiana Select, makes it very, very simple, very easy. After 3 minutes, we're gonna flip that fish over. Give it a good little flip over like that. Look how pretty that is right there, baby. Man, look how pretty that catfish is. All right, B, look at that. See that fish floating up right there? Oh, let's get that piece up out of there. Look at that. Woo-wee. All right, reach in there, get that other one out, B. Look at that. Oh, man, look at that golden fried catfish right there, B. Oh, my goodness. Look at that right there, y'all. Now, ain't that beautiful? All right, B, we're going to hit it with that all-purpose. Southern Boys all-purpose right there. Ooh, man. I like hitting it when that fish is hot. Look at that. All right, time to fix that sandwich. I got that slobber knocker right here, B. Oh, man. Southern Boy slobber knocker sauce. Slide that right there like that. Reach over here, B. Look at that piece of fish right there. We're going to lay that piece of fish right there. Look at that piece hanging off. Somebody said break it off. I'm going to break it off, put it right there. Look at that. All right, we're going to grab us one of these tomatoes right here, B. Oh, I'm just going to throw me a tomato on there like that. And then I'm going to grab me some of that rabbit food. I'm going to drop it on there like that. I'm going to take that toasted bun right there. I'm going to put it on top like that. I'm going to get it all mashed down. Y'all, look at that right there. Now, you talk about an easy meal to fix for your family. Less than 10 minutes, you'll have them a nice fish sandwich right here. That's Louisiana Select, pre-breaded catfish, seasoned, Cajun seasoned breaded catfish. It don't get no better than this right here with that slobber knocker sauce.